Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious bacon, egg, and cheese quesadilla using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: bacon, eggs, cheese, and tortillas. Begin by cooking 3 to 4 strips of bacon until they are nice and crispy, then chop them into small pieces. Next, scramble 2 to 3 eggs until they are just set, adding any seasonings you prefer. This simple preparation sets the stage for a quick and tasty meal. Now, let's assemble our quesadilla. Heat a large skillet over medium heat, ensuring it's ready for cooking. Place 1 large tortilla directly into the warm skillet. Then, generously sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese evenly over the entire surface of the tortilla. This cheese layer will act as the delicious glue holding everything together, creating that perfect melty texture we all love in a quesadilla. With the cheese melted slightly, it's time to add our delicious fillings. Carefully place the chopped, crispy bacon and the scrambled eggs onto 1/2 of the tortilla. For extra cheesiness, sprinkle another 1/4 cup of shredded cheese over the bacon and eggs. Finally, gently fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled half, pressing down lightly to secure it. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Continue cooking your quesadilla until both sides are beautifully golden brown and the cheese inside is completely melted and gooey. Once done, carefully remove it from the skillet, slice it into convenient wedges, and serve immediately with your favorite salsa or sour cream. It's a quick, satisfying meal perfect for any time of day. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade bacon, egg, and cheese quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.